Today, we're diving into a comprehensive comparison between the brand new Meta Quest 3S and the ever-popular PlayStation VR 2. The Quest 3S promises the same mixed reality capabilities and impressive performance as its predecessor Quest 3, but with a more wallet-friendly price tag. On the flip side, the PlayStation VR 2 builds on Sony's reputation for immersive gaming, boasting features like eye tracking and a stunning 4K OLED display. But the big question is, which one is best for your needs and style? Well, let's dive into a detailed comparison of these two VR headsets and see which one is the right choice for you. And if you find this video helpful, please help out the channel by giving it a like and subscribing. Let's start with the pricing and setup. The Meta Quest 3S is undoubtedly the more affordable option, starting at $300. It's a standalone wireless device, meaning you don't need any extra hardware to get started. This makes it a highly convenient and budget-friendly choice, especially for first-time VR users. On the other hand, the PlayStation VR 2's price tag of $550 might seem steep, but that's only part of the story. It requires a PlayStation 5 to function, which adds another $499 if you don't already own one. Plus, the PlayStation VR 2 isn't wireless, tethering you to the console with a USB-C cable. While the cable setup is straightforward and enables immediate gaming, it can limit your movement and break the immersion for some. So, if we're talking about accessibility and cost, the Meta Quest 3S clearly takes the lead. Now let's talk about the technology inside these headsets. The PlayStation VR 2 offers eye tracking, a feature typically found in premium headsets like the $999 Meta Quest Pro. Eye tracking enhances immersion and enables features like foveated rendering, which improves the image quality of the area you're focusing on while conserving processing power. It's an impressive addition, though many games have yet to fully utilize it. On the other hand, Meta Quest 3S uses the same Snapdragon XR2 Gen 2 chipset as the Meta Quest 3. This chip promises up to 50% improved power efficiency and 8 times better AI capabilities compared to its predecessor. While the PlayStation VR 2 relies on the PS5 for its processing power, the Quest 3S is a standalone device with significant capabilities packed right into the headset. If you value cutting-edge eye tracking, then the PlayStation VR 2 wins in this category, but for overall processing power and efficiency, the Quest 3S holds its ground. Display quality is where the PlayStation VR 2 flexes its muscles. It features a 4K HDR OLED display with a resolution of 2000 by 2040 per eye. This results in vibrant colors and sharp visuals that make games truly come alive. You can also stream content and play non-VR PS5 games in 1920 by 1080 HDR quality using its cinematic mode. But the Quest 3S offers a slightly lower resolution of 1832 by 1920 per eye, the same as the Quest 2. While this isn't quite on par with the PlayStation VR 2, images on the Quest 2 were praised as sharp and clear, so the 3S should perform similarly. Both headsets share a panel refresh rate of 90 to 120 Hz for smooth gameplay, but the PlayStation VR 2's OLED display gives it a visual edge for those seeking a premium experience. Performance is an interesting comparison. The PlayStation VR 2's reliance on the PS5 means that much of its power comes from the console, making it less about the headset's internal capabilities and more about its connection to a high-performance system. On the other hand, the Quest 3S is a self-contained powerhouse, leveraging its Snapdragon XR2 Gen 2 chipset for impressive standalone performance. This makes it more versatile and less dependent on external hardware. So while the PSVR 2 might offer a slight edge in raw graphical power thanks to the PS5, the Quest 3S's portability and processing capabilities make it a strong contender. When it comes to content libraries, the Meta Quest 3S has an edge. The Meta Store has been expanding since the Oculus Quest launched in 2019, offering thousands of apps and games. This robust ecosystem gives you plenty of options, with Quest 3 specific performance updates available for the Quest 3S as well. On the other hand, the PSVR 2 has a smaller library that struggled to keep pace, and it doesn't support backward compatibility with original PlayStation VR titles. While Sony has confirmed more games are on the way, the current selection feels limited. If having a diverse range of content at your fingertips is a priority, the Quest 3S is the better option here. As for my final verdict, the choice comes down to what you value most in a VR headset. If you're already a PlayStation 5 owner and are drawn to features like eye tracking and a stunning OLED display, the PlayStation VR 2 could be the perfect addition to your gaming setup. But if you're looking for a more affordable, versatile, and wireless option with access to an expansive library of games, the Meta Quest 3S is a no-brainer. Both headsets have their strengths, but for most users, the Quest 3S offers a more accessible and user-friendly virtual reality experience.